This is your time to be yourself. This is your moment to be where you want to be. This is your place. Begin to live so high. Ngayon ka mo sa balay. This is your season to be the light. This is your reason to go beyond your dreams. This is your home. Begin to live the life. Ngayon ka mo sa balay. Discover new horizons as we embark on each new day. Live your life to the fullest. Ngayon ka